Moving components is now easier in 2022. When selected from the Feature Manager tree, you are now presented with a triad that makes it extremely simple to get a component into the correct spots with control for X, Y, Z and rotations all at your fingertips. The Quickmates toolbar in 2022 also gives more control by presenting you with options to make adjustments before adding the mates, such as alignment. This is also true when adding circular type mates, where you are given the option to lock the rotation before confirming. This is especially useful in cases of mates that allow both of these conditions. This new ability adds extra control while mating with Quickmates toolbar, makes it fast and simple to quickly build your assemblies. The intelligent pattern-driven component patterns now even smarter in SOLIDWORKS 2022. Now when you choose a component to pattern, SOLIDWORKS will always choose that component's location as the seed for determining how to create and position other instances. Even if you change the location of the component to a different location, the pattern still assumes that the component you are patterning is in the seed position. This means it's much easier to take advantage of existing patterns and whole wizard features to quickly position multiple instances of components such as hardware and rapidly populate your assemblies. Configurations are a powerful way to create alternate versions of parts and assemblies all within the single document. You can choose to have instances of components included or excluded from different versions of your design. You can also choose to have alternate configurations of other components in each configuration. The possibilities are endless, and as more variations are made, keeping track of this can get complicated. However, new for SOLIDWORKS 2022 is the new configuration table. This table makes it much easier to both create and manage configurations. From the table, you can add new versions to your design, and you can choose to toggle the suppression state of different components on or off. Likewise, you can specify which version of the components to use in each configuration. The controls make it easier to see your changes as you're working as well. If you make changes to the configuration manually, such as suppressing components that weren't included before, they will be added to the table as well. The configuration table also has filters to easily focus on what's important. For example, you may want to ensure that the custom properties for each configuration are unique to each new version of the assembly. Finally, when we look at the bill of materials, there will be cases when components in the design should not be included. This option can be controlled from the component properties in the assembly to specify this. However, this can be time consuming for parts that regularly should not be included. New for SOLIDWORKS 2022, a new configuration option at the component level where you can specify the component should have this option enabled by default, saving you time from having to change this each time the component is used. SOLIDWORKS 2022 introduces a wide variety of performance and usability improvements to ensure that you can focus on the engineering of your design and less time determining how to manipulate them. So in summary, we have seen improvements with Move with Triad, Quick Mate Control, Pattern-driven seed position and configuration tables, and a new way to exclude components from BOM option.